Hello Sagittarians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you and your person. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And yes, please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. You can also follow me on Instagram. The link is given in the description box below, and the readings there are different from these readings. Okay, so let's see what's there for Sagittarians. So on your side we have the Six of Pentacles, trying to balance something. Let's see what's there on your person's side. Okay, we have the Knight of Cups. Somebody is opening up emotionally over here. Let's see the most likely outcome. Okay, the Justice. Okay, so something is getting balanced. Something is getting sorted out. Let's see what is it. Okay, so let's see why is this Six of Pentacles here for? What's behind the scenes for the Six of Pentacles? Okay, so we have the Four of Swords, okay, the Magician, the Strength, okay, the Lovers. Oh. Let's see why is this Knight of Cups here for? The Knight of Swords, the Ace of Pentacles, the Ten of Swords, the Nine of Cups, the Six of Cups, okay, the Five of Swords, the Eight of Swords, the Five of Wands, again the Six of Pentacles, and the other one, let's see, the Chariot. Let's see why is this Justice card here for? What's behind the scenes for this? Four of Cups and the Four of Pentacles, the Hierophant, the Star, Eight of Cups, and the Justice once again. Okay, so we have the Four of Swords, the Magician, the Strength, and the Lovers. So what I feel here is that you are trying to balance something within you in your own life which you really need to heal. Okay, so you really need to heal. You are undergoing a process of healing and you want a new beginning. Okay, and this process is not that easy for you. It is requiring a lot of strength on your part, and the phase in which you have been is like what is this? What am I getting? Why am I getting this? I really don't know with whom this will resonate, but since it is coming to me, I am saying it, that there has been a time in your life in which you felt that you've been surrounded by people who had that snake-like nature or that venomous nature, or maybe the situation was like that in your life that it was totally venomous for you. Okay, it's something like as strong as that. And though you are trying to heal from that situation, but still you feel tied up and you still feel the brunt of that. It is something as strong as that. Why am I getting this? That maybe, I don't know with whom it is going to resonate. Maybe you still are not even aware that you are surrounded by such people or some such situation which you think it is healing you. I don't know what's going on here. I don't know with whom this is going to resonate, but this is what I am getting. That maybe the situation was like that from which you are healing, that it was so venomous, that snake like thing was there. Okay, or you are still to some extent in that situation and you are not even aware of it. But yes, definitely you are trying to heal, but I am getting that thing unaware type of a thing. Also, maybe it can be that you really don't know the intensity of it if you are still in it and you are trying to balance out. Maybe you are not even aware of the intensity of the situation, and it is like sort of ignorance is bliss type of a thing, that you are trying to heal. You didn't know the gravity of the situation. It's something like that I'm getting. My god, I really don't know with whom it is going to resonate, but I just hope it helps the person. And here with the Magician, the Strength, and the Lovers, what I feel here is that you really want to have a new beginning in your life, using a lot of strength. And with the Lovers card over here, definitely it is definitely a relationship. I really don't know. There was a lot of passion. There is a lot of passion. Whatever this situation was, we'll see if I get some message regarding it. It is this relationship or whatever it was which was so venomous for you, and maybe you are not even aware of it, or you were not aware of it and you were just trapped by such people or that situation. Maybe you are not even you are not knowing the intensity of it. Let's see. So with the Knight of Cups, somebody is opening up emotionally over here. Here we have the Knight of Swords, the Ace of Pentacles, the Ten of Swords, and the Nine of Cups. So what I feel here is, okay, we had the Six of Cups also with the Five of Swords, the Eight of Swords, the Five of Wands, again the Six of Pentacles, and the Chariot. So what I feel here is that somebody here wants a new beginning and is done with some situation. Okay, so this person is fed up and is leaving a certain situation and they want a new beginning. And again, I always feel that this is something which was being done secretly, or somebody was doing it to them. But there is a situation over here in life. This person is doing something which nobody knows. Okay, something like that is going on in their lives, but they are really done with it. They are fed up of it. They want a new beginning in some way, shape or form. Okay, they want to leave this situation, actually, whatever this situation is. They are totally done with it and they really want to stop it, sort of. Because this situation has what I feel is this situation has maybe even drained them emotionally. Here we have the Six of Cups, the Five of Swords, the Eight of Swords, the Five of Wands, Six of Pentacles, and the Chariot. So definitely there is some situation which has caused a lot of tension. Maybe the fights, arguments. This person is trying to balance this in their life, but there has been a lot of fight, tension, something not able to come out of that negativity, whatever that negative situation was, and there is some sort of wanting of a reconciliation or wanting of happy times, because this person is done with some situation and totally fed up with it. They want either the past or good old times back, or maybe some sort of a reconciliation. Okay, and this person is trying to balance their life and gain the control of the life back, and they are able to do it because they are moving forward. With the Chariot is a very fast moving card. So they are done with it because they are actually fed up with whatever it is going on in their life, whatever it is. And here with the, as a most likely outcome, we have the justice. So things getting balanced, some sort of justice being served. Let's see what it is. We have the Four of Cups, the Four of Pentacles. So definitely, and here we have the Hierophant, the Star, the Eight of Cups, and the Justice once again. So what I feel is that somebody here is totally closed up and very, very upset, maybe waiting for the result. That is what I'm getting. Somebody here is waiting for this justice. Somebody here is sort of waiting for the result. Okay, what will be the result? What will be the final outcome? Is something like that. So maybe this person has here with the Lovers card a lot of passion for this person, but something was going on this person's side, and the situation was turning poisonous for this person, and this person is trying to manifest, dealing with it with a lot of strength and trying to manifest a new beginning for themselves. And here what I am getting here with the Magician card is that this is a person who is trying sort of that intensity is there in this person who really wants the new beginning actually. Okay, and here we have the Hierophant, the Star, Eight of Cups, and the Justice. So somebody here is definitely leaving the past behind, and with the Star it is the wish fulfillment. With the Justice, again things are getting sorted out, things are getting balanced, and with the Hierophant what I feel is that this is, you are happy that your wishes are being fulfilled. Somebody is leaving the situation which was making both of you unhappy, or this relationship unhappy. And here what I feel is it is looking like as if the one who laughs last laughs the best. It's something like that. And with the wishes are being fulfilled, that gratification is there, and with the Justice card things are getting sorted out. So this is what I am getting over here. It's like the one who laughs last laughs the best type of a vibe over here. Since things are getting sorted out, things are getting balanced, whosoever this person is done with whatever they were dealing with and is ready to come for the reconciliation, and that is what you are actually wanting over here. And the situation is getting very, perhaps was getting very bitter, but you were patiently waiting. It can be this also, that you knew that it is a very poisonous situation for you, but you were still waiting for it with some sort of faith and some sort of trust that things will be okay. It can be that also with the, here with the Four of Swords, because the satisfaction and the coolness and the positivity which I am feeling, the relaxation I should say, which I am feeling on this person's face is something like that, that you know that it will be okay type of a thing. So let's see what is the message from the universe for Sagittarians. Choose love. You always have a choice, make yours with love. Number 21 may be of some significance for you. So this is the guidance for this reading, that maybe you need to choose love. Whosoever it is, whatever was going on, you just need to focus on the positivity, because here this person is thinking about the good old times. So, and here also you want to manifest this relationship, okay, because you have that passion. So once this person comes back, this is what you need to do. Just forgive what needs to be forgiven and just focus on the love. And once you're able to focus on the love, because that is the beautiful memories you may have of this person at some point in time, okay, and if you are able to do that, you will be able to manifest a beautiful life for yourself ahead. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.